Hi, this is the VIVO V29 and I'll show you how to customize AD option on this device. So let's first open the settings. And here click to lock screen and wallpaper, tap to always on display and you will see here the switcher with which you could activate and turn off the AD option. We got here the off-screen style, so we could use one from the available styles. For example, I'll use this one. We could switch also the color of the text here. Then just tap to apply on the right upper corner. We could see that the theme has applied successfully. You could also switch here the display mode from to display always to set the shadow or by moving the phone slightly to the display. And also we could activate or turn off some notifications from just the apps like the phone, messages, Messenger, Facebook or Gmail with the help of this checkbox. So just to activate or turn off them, click to the checkbox. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.